So, I have finally picked up AirPods Max. I've avoided them for a long time, so finally picked them up. Let's get a look at them. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, I have avoided these like the plague simply because £550, I just don't think they're worth that money. So I've said for a long time that they're £200 overpriced. If I could get them for and around that money, I would go for them. So I think I got a good deal on them. I picked these up on Amazon warehouse, so I got a good deal on them. The box is a wee bit damaged, as I'm sure you can see. There's no plastic on the box, but I don't know if they come with plastic. So if you bought these new, let me know in the comments down below. Did these come in plastic? Because it's just got two plastic seals here. So we're just going to cut these and get a look at them and see what the crack is. So got them in space grey as well, because why wouldn't you? Oh yeah, man. These aren't new. That sucks. That really sucks. Don't get me wrong. If you've watched any of my other videos on the channel, you'll know that I love refurb stuff, and I couldn't rate refurb stuff high enough. But that's because when I buy it, I know that I'm buying refurb stuff, and these were listed as new, so I'm a bit annoyed. Anyway, so we have our paperwork. No stickers! Oh boo. Somebody's kept the stickers. Not cool. And I used lightning cable. USB-C to lightning cable. Ah well. So let's get a wee look. Yeah, I mean look at that. Look at the state of all that packaging. Disappointing. Yeah, I can actually tell the silicone finish on this case. You can see there's like dust and lint and stuff on it. Okay, it is what it is, to be honest. Well, the cups themselves don't appear to have any like damage or anything on them. Again, you can just tell they've been used. You know, there's little like fingerprint marks and stuff on them. And then again, you take the cups off and look inside. You can see there's, you know, bits of dust and lint and stuff. So you can tell they've been used. Again, if they had been listed as refurbed, I wouldn't really care, to be honest, but the fact they've been listed as new, yeah, I'm kind of annoyed about that. False advertising, as they would say. So I'll just pop these back into their bra, and we'll see if they have been paired to another phone, because that'll also be another telling feature, or if they've been factory reset. Ah, there you go. At least they've been reset. I suppose that's something. So we're just going through the motions now. Okay, first impressions. They do feel, I'll have to give credit where it's due, these feel premium, good quality headphones. The cushions also feel really soft, and then you've got this sort of headband here as well. Try these on. Oh yeah, jeepers. So that's transparency mode on. That's that's pretty good. That is pretty good. Noise cancellation. Whoa. I always thought the noise cancellation was pretty good on the AirPods Pro, but obviously you get a good better seal with these. Damn. Oh, transparency works alright. Right. Let's play something. Spatial audio works anyway. The sounds are coming from everywhere. What? It's like I'm at a concert. I would even go out on a limb and say the spatial audio is a little bit more advanced than the AirPods Pro. I know it sounds maybe a bit strange, but in terms of fit, I will say, first impressions, they are noticeably heavy, but they're really comfortable. Like I know that they're there, but I'm pretty sure I could wear these for a long period of time with no issues whatsoever. Wow, that's really good. The spatial audio is really good on these. I will say, like I love spatial audio on the AirPods Pro. I really do, because you know, you're in your ears, little buds, and you get that surround sound effect, and it's really good. but it's so much better in these. Obviously it will be, because there's a lot more in these than there will be in the Pros in terms of hardware, but man, really good. So yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. It's just a short unboxing and first impressions video. Again, I'm going to do a follow-up review video on these, so keep it locked to the channel for that, and I will bring you a better review once I get time to properly play with these. Again, if there's anything that you want to ask me, or if there's anything you want me to test in my review video, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want to see or what you want to know. If you want to ask me anything based on my first impressions, by all means, leave me a comment down below. Ask away, not a problem at all. And yeah, until the next one, guys, I'm going to go get these tested. I'll catch you later.